When tackling the listening part of the ALCPT, focus on active listening. First, familiarize yourself with military terminology and common phrases. This will help you catch key details. During the test, don't just passively hear the words. Visualize the scenarios being described. Picture the environment, the actions taking place, and the emotions involved. Take notes on important points, especially numbers, dates, and commands. This will help you remember crucial information. If you miss something, don't panic. Stay calm and keep listening. Context can often provide clues to what you missed. Practice with authentic materials like military briefings or training videos to get used to the pace and accents. Finally, simulate test conditions with a partner or use online resources. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. Remember, every detail counts, so stay focused and engaged throughout the listening exercise.